revenge fashion. Have you ever noticed that whenever people go through breakup, please, one of their thoughts right after that is, let me change my wardrobe and make it more fashionable, make it more edgy. One of the perfect example for that in world history has been Lady Diana. When she wanted to come out with her husband cheating on her, remember the dress that she was wearing? A beautiful black, edgy, sexy dress. And it's not just her. Many have done this in history, and we keep doing it today as well. Whenever there is a breakup, especially a very, very intense breakup, people retort to revenge fashion. So I was thinking that what is the astrological connection with it? And if this is the kind of content you enjoy, please hit the like button, share and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any of those things. Namaskar, this is me Neha Goyal from Neha Goyal Dream Reading, your tarot reader, empowerment coach, numerologist and DNA astrologer. Now, what is fashion in astrology? Fashion is associated with Venus. When somebody goes through a breakup, the Venus element in their life takes a major hit. What is Venus? Venus is the ability to feel pleasure. It is the ability to feel that ultimate bliss. When you're in a relationship, and especially if it is a codependent relationship, where you put your worth in how the other person makes you feel, then anyways the Venus element is taking a hit. But where earlier that hit Venus element was getting compensated by most likely this individual who so far was providing you the love or compensating for your Venus element, that goes out of the door when there is a breakup. You have to energetically, you have to fill in that space. That is how human psyche works. That is how we as an energy system work. So what is the way to compensate now that that space has been created, and now that this individual whom you were dependent on for releasing serotonin in your brain is not happening? It's almost like it's a helpless situation where no matter how hard you try, this person ain't coming back, or that thing has already, intensely gone kaput. So you compensate it with your clothes. You go ahead, buy the best quality clothes because you somehow now believe that you deserve it. And then while you wear those best quality clothes, you change your personality because a part of you also wants to let go of that individual who you were when you were with that person, because even that individual who you were when you were with that person reminds you of that relationship. And it makes the brain release cortisols, which is a stress hormone. So if you really come to think about it, fashion or wearing those edgy clothes now or presenting yourself to the world in a new personality, something that basically you are doing because it has been triggered by the series of events and you're compensating for that Venusian element. And then also do understand that when one dresses up well, you get eyeballs. People look at you. People are like, wow, where was that part of you hiding? That entire situation is able to hold you through that breakup. When you get compliments, then again the serotonin in your brain produces because you feel happy, and at least for the time being, that entire situation is able to hold you through. The good part about my work is that I bring together the wisdom of neurolinguistic programming, which is how our brain works, astrology and numerology, as well as tarot. In tarot, one of the most beautifully dressed lady, I believe, is the lady in Nine of Pentacles. She is dressed up in a beautiful flowing gown. She doesn't need anyone. Like it's right there in tarot, which was a divinity which was created, or we came into its realization so many years back. So this thing of revenge fashion is not something which the new age celebrities have made famous. It had been there since almost time immemorial. Is revenge fashion advisable? Now, what I would say is dependence on anything outside of you for releasing those serotonin is not advisable from a long-term perspective. But in the beginning, if it gives you that push, if it gives you that confidence, go honey, do it. You have a fashion sense. You have bring out that personality of yours, which you have it in you, where everybody stands up and says, "Who's that girl or boy?" One of the remedies that I give for those who have a negative Venus karmic registry is to have a very high fashion quotient, which they do not naturally have. So that is why I'm saying in the beginning it is okay to have that compensation from outside. If you have any questions in relation to what I'm discussing right now, type in the comment section. You see how if we come to an observation of our life, we can make connections of the patterns and behaviors. Awareness is empowerment. You can also watch the 2022 numerology prediction, which has been uploaded on my YouTube channel Neha Goyal Dream Reading, or you can DM me for the link. In case you want to know personally how 2022 will figure out for you, you can also book the 2022 personal prediction. After 2021, the prices of my consultations will change. So in case you have always been thinking of getting a DNA astrology reading or getting a tarot reading done or getting a numerology reading done, but you have been postponing, December is the time. Book it now, because I will be changing the prices in 2022. Namaskar, Radhe Radhe.